Hi everyone, it's Maissie May. 2025 na pala, no? Ang bilis ng panahon. But anyway, ito yung bago kong morning routine. Pagkagising ko sa umaga, I drink 1 cup of water. Alam nyo ba, hindi ako morning person talaga. Pero slowly, nagiging habit ko na siya dahil sa asawa ko. I like to walk at the beach barefoot for 2 hours. Twice or thrice a week ko siyang ginagawa. I have 3 reasons kung bakit gustong-gusto ko tong gawin. I want to see the beauty of sunrise, to spend time with him, kumbaga quality time together, and my new addiction, collecting of shells. Nakaka-enjoy siyang gawin, stress reliever at the same time. Alam niyo ba, I also discover with my 2 eyes na nag-iiba pala yung shape ng seashore because of the tide. Like merong times na flat, curve, and puzzles. Something like that. I just find it interesting. Siguro absent ako nung time na ito yung topic sa science subject. Charot. The weather is like me. Right?
Changing?
Yes. Moody.
Proud of you.
Huh?
I said I'm proud of you. You have some self-knowledge.
Joke lang. Okay, nasa bahay na kami and may binili lang kami sa palengke. This one, this two. Just, merong cabbage. Merong cabbage. Ito ba ito? Uy, ayan. Cucumber, red pepper. Kasi ipipickle daw niya. Ayan, basang-basa tayo eh. Tapos hindi namin alam na meron palang earthquake na hindi namin na-feel kasi nga nag-walking kami doon sa dagat tapos hindi namin namalayan na meron pala. Tapos until na may nagsabi sa amin, ano daw, may linog daw malakas, ganun. Hindi ko talaga siya naramdaman, manhid na yata ako. Charis! Anyway, ayun. Like, keep safe na lang tayo, everyone. Ayun lang yung ganap ko ngayong morning. Maliligo lang ko. Then, tutulog. I'm gonna make a protein smoothie para sa breakfast niya. And, ito yung lagi kong ginagawa. I have 2 raw eggs. Break a leg. Weird taste siya, pero healthy. Chin up na mga cucumber. Lagay ko siya dito sa cabbage na binili ko kanina. Then, nagalagay ako dito mga about ayusin ko na lang siya. Lagyan ko siya ng konting water para maganda yung tamang timpla. Okay. And for our next step, nutritional yeast. 1 spoon. And the protein powder, this time, isa lang daw. Kasi hindi naman niya kailangan ng marami. Lagyan ko siya ng ice. Ay! Ang sarap naman. Ang dami. Ang feeling. Ano ASMR. Okay. So, yun lang yung process na paggawa ng protein shake namin. Okay. Gagawa tayo. Bisaya na dahil. Gagawa tayo ng ano. Lunch. Mahi or dorado. Then, lagyan natin siya ng olive oil. Oops. Padang. Kasi laban ka tanda. Ito siya itsura. Tapos, i-bake ko siya. 20 minutes, 20 or 30 minutes. Kay takbol mang siya. So, while waiting na maluto yung sauce. Sauce! Ano nangyari sa putak mo? Maluto yung isda. Gawa tayo ng sauce. Yon. The background, ano naman tayo? There. Tapos, ito yung gagamitin kong butter. Magnolia butter. Bakanin mo. Ow! Sakit sa gilagid. Sakit ba, uy? Oh, okay. Hindi na siya. Rice. Sarap. Time check! 3:49 p.m. na. And as you can see, I'm chopping cabbage kasi gagawa kami ng sarili namin sauerkraut. Alam niyo ba that sauerkraut is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals? Probiotic siya. You can Google search that to fact check. Ganito yung ginagawa namin. Sauerkraut has only 2 ingredients, salt and cabbage. You can also search yung ingredients and also how to make it. You can also add caraway seeds for better flavor. Yung nakikita nyong ibang ingredients, additional lang yan to make our sauerkraut tasty. Para siyang kimchi. Yung kimchi is spicy lang but this one is not. This will improve your gut health, guys. You should try it. Wala namang mawawala kung itatry nyo, diba? Yun lang. I'll show you in 2 to 3 weeks when it's ready. Lately, ito yung lagi namin kinakain. Vietnamese chicken salad. Cause I love Vietnamese food like pho, banh mi, and many more. Meron lang kaming additional na nilagay sa salad. Pero mas masarap talaga to kung meron kaming herbs. Kaso wala eh. Sayang. But anyway, tara mga on.
You want me to tell you what the... Oh, you're recording, huh?
Tell me.
You know what it is.
What?
Cabbage, sprouts, bell pepper, carrot. I said sprouts already. Crushed peanut, sesame seeds, and then in the dressing, it's garlic. I put a little bit of ginger too this time, in the grated ginger in the salad. I put garlic, neutral oil, neutral vegetable oil, the rice wine vinegar, fish sauce, sugar.
Do you know what's missing? Herbs.
I smelled it.